I cannot find my walking stick, so I'll try to point. I am getting on the chair. Okay.
Yes!
This is a clock. These are numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is the hour hand. This shows hours. This is the minute hand. It shows minutes. This is the second hand. It shows seconds. Right now the time is 8:02. Sometimes we say 0:02. That's the minute. That's the hour. This rotates 1 and it will be 12:03. Actually, I'm wrong. It's 8:03. This is 8 and this will be 3. I'm going to put this back. Okay, I put it back. I'm getting down off this chair. I am going to the floor. Carefully. This is a chair. It's made out of wood. I am sitting in the chair. I'm going to put the chair back over here. And we are going to look around this room. This is a couch. We call this a couch. I am sitting on the couch. If I am tired, I'm going to lie on the couch.
Oh, wow.
Ugh, long day. It has been a long day. I'm going to lie on the couch. I'm getting back up again. Because I want to show you more of this room. This is a table. This is the living room. This is the living room table. These are chairs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chairs around the table.
Great.
These chairs are very beautiful. This is called wicker. This is a wicker chair. Very nice. I am sitting in the wicker chair. Ah, nice. Very comfortable. I am getting up from this chair and I will put it back. I am going over here I would call this a sofa chair. It's like a sofa or a couch, but even more comfortable. I am going to sit in the sofa chair. Oh, this is very nice.
Good.
I am very comfortable sitting in this chair. I could go to sleep in this chair. Oh, I better wake up. We have a video. This is a tree. This is a maple tree. I can tell this is a maple tree by the leaf. This tree is not real. We call this an artificial tree. It's not real. It looks real. I'm getting up to show you more of this room. These are horns from an animal. These are bullets from a gun or a rifle.
Oh no!
This is art. It's a design. This is a window. I can open the window. I am going to open the window. I have air, fresh air from outside. I am closing the window. This is the window latch. This is a window shade. I just closed the window shade. Now I am opening the window shade so I can see outside. This is art. This is a frame. This design is a sword and eagle. An eagle is a bird. I see lions behind the eagle. Very interesting design. This is art.
Great!
This is another window. We have a window over here. Another art. These are horns from an animal. This is the thermometer. This thermometer measures temperature. It measures the temperature of this room. We have two temperature symbols, centigrade and Fahrenheit. So the temperature in this room is 20 degrees Celsius or centigrade. Most people say Celsius. 20 degrees Celsius. In Fahrenheit, which Americans use, the temperature is 70 degrees instead of 20. In America, we use a different system of measurement. For temperature, we use Fahrenheit. European uses Celsius. This thermometer was made in China. It says in English, made in China. This is a TV. We also call it television. These are remote control. We often refer to them as a remote instead of saying remote control. The remote controls the television. As you can see, I can turn the television on from a distance. It's not working today. This is a chess set. I'm wrong. This is not a chess set. Or it is a chess set. This is a chess set with special chess pieces. These are chess pieces. This is another chess set. These are chess pieces. I'm taking the chess pieces and putting them on the table. This is a beautiful chessboard. This is a chessboard. I am going to put the chess pieces on the chessboard. These two pieces are rook. We call them rooks.